Welcome to the 2025 Tumbler Ridge Motorcycle Adventure Ride. 3 days of exploring northern British Columbia's wild beauty on two wheels. From roaring waterfalls and rugged ATV trails, riders Jamie Iwaschuk, Will Chitty, and Ryan Lamming set out from Tumbler Ridge to uncover its best-kept secrets, proving that here, adventure is never far from your doorstep. Like every day of the ride, the adventure begins at the Trend Mountain Hotel, the perfect base camp for motorcycle touring in the region. But first, fuel for the riders. Their first stop? Lush Bakery, a local favorite known for its fresh baked goods, rich coffee, and warm small-town atmosphere.
That's aggressive, artsy.
Next, they swing by Fresh Mart to stock up for the week ahead. With all the amenities you could need right in town, Tumbler Ridge makes the perfect launch pad for any riding adventure. And before the guys hit the road, one last stop off at the Tumbler Ridge Info Center. This place is perfect for planning adventures with lots of literature, souvenirs, and knowledgeable locals eager to help you plan your motorcycle adventures. Today's route? A big westward loop, with the day's highlight being Mount Spieker and the stunning Perry Creek Falls. The best part, very little backtracking. Almost the entire loop is fresh terrain. From Tumbler Ridge, the crew heads out on Highway 29 towards Chetwynd. The pavement is smooth, the air is crisp, and the scenery immediately spectacular. After 15 minutes of riding, they turn southwest onto Bullmoose Road. Here, the Bullmoose Valley opens up, surrounded by rugged foothills hinting at the heights to come. The adventure truly begins as they turn onto Windfall Creek Forest Service Road. Here they found the trailhead sign for Mount Spieker, giving them a great visual of the area and the trail ahead. Only a few hundred meters in on the Windfall Creek Road, they turn off onto a lease road that begins to climb steeply. Lookouts appear one after another, each view better than the last. This is a place where you'll want to stop often, and you should. Just before the end of the lease road, the crew hits the ATV trail leading up to Mount Spieker Pass. These trails were originally carved out during mining exploration. Today, they're a gift to off-road riders, offering access to raw, high-country terrain few get to see. The trail gets rocky, the air cooler, and mountains open up all around them. At the pass, the riders are treated to a rare panorama, the Bullmoose and Wolverine Valleys, both visible from one breathtaking spot. It's the kind of place that demands a long lunch break. From there, the descent begins down the Perry Creek side. Steep, heart-pounding, and unforgettable, especially for anyone with a fear of heights. The group stops at the trailhead sign once again, however this time on the Perry Creek side.
My goal when I ride anything is to make a loop, to actually be able to do a full loop over the mountain and come down around. That's pretty awesome.
And my goal is to survive Jamie's loops.
We came, we conquered Mount Spieker. Time to go to a waterfall.
The tight ATV trail transforms when the group hits the Perry Creek Road to wide, smooth gravel winding through thick, green forest and tracing the creek's edge. Soon the riders trade helmets for hiking boots. The short trail to Perry Creek Falls is a steep hike down into the Creek Valley. At the bottom, they're rewarded with the thunder of water in full flow thanks to recent rains. The spray on your face and the roar in your ears make Perry Creek Falls a destination you won't forget. This loop is a perfect example of what modern adventure bikes make possible. A true mixed terrain day, sweeping pavement, gravel forest roads, narrow ATV tracks, and a hike to a wild hidden waterfall. After soaking it in, the riders retrace the road through Perry Creek and Wolverine Road back to Highway 29 and into Tumbler Ridge. Once back into town, the crew refuels their bikes at the local gas station. Next, they give the bikes a much-needed wash, another big perk of riding right from Tumbler Ridge. And finally, the guys roll back into the Trend Mountain Hotel before a shower and a well-deserved dinner.
To be able to go do a full loop, ride every kind of terrain. We rode pavement, we rode kind of pavement, we rode gravel, rocks, like some of it was kind of gnarly, but it was doable. It's all doable. It was a fantastic ride.
So the really cool thing about Tumbler was we were able to leave from the hotel and we were in such a variety of terrain. The really nice thing is now we're all kind of on lighter adventure bikes. I'm riding an Ibex 450, which has kind of transitioned between the dirt bike world and the adventure bike world. I love that I can rip it down the highway, get into a new access area, and then not have to load and unload. I don't have to be completely naked. I still pack some safety gear with me and I'm comfortable on the bike riding like that, but it's just a different type of environment now. It's been really rewarding.
You don't necessarily have to have 1,000,000 pounds of gear on your bike. You can ride harder terrain and still see like amazing views, amazing waterfalls. Everywhere you go, it's awesome.
And that's just day one. Join us for day 2 and 3 as the crew hunts for even more waterfalls and hidden gems around beautiful Tumbler Ridge, British Columbia.